In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your tasks in Airtable. We're going to walk through a simple setup that you can use for personal projects, teamwork, or even managing clients. By the end, you'll have a clear, visual system to keep track of everything you need to get done. Let's start with the structure of your base. In your table, create a few key fields or columns. First, add a field for task name. This is where you'll write a short, clear description of what needs to be done, like write blog outline or prepare client presentation. Next, add a status field and set the field type to single select. Create a few options that match your workflow, such as to do, in progress, and done. Then, add a due date field and make sure it's set to the date type so Airtable can treat it like an actual date, not just text. Finally, add an owner field with the user type so you can assign each task to yourself or to someone on your team. Once your fields are ready, start inputting your tasks. Each row in the grid view will be a single task. Type the task name, choose a status from the dropdown, set a due date, and assign an owner. Try to be consistent with your naming and avoid being too vague. That way, you and your team know exactly what each task means. Now, let's make your tasks easier to visualize with different views. Add a Kanban view and group it by the status field. This will show your tasks as cards in columns, such as to do, in progress, and done, so you can drag and drop them as work moves forward. Then, create a calendar view using the due date field. This will lay out your tasks across a calendar, making it easier to see what's coming up and avoid overloading any single day. To further organize your work, use the group and sort options in the grid view. Group your tasks by priority, so high-priority tasks appear together. Then use sort to order them by date, with the earliest deadlines at the top. This combination helps you see what matters most right now. Finally, use filters to focus on what's relevant. You might filter out completed tasks so you only see active work, or filter by owner so you're only looking at tasks assigned to you. Adjust these filters as your needs change to keep your Airtable base clean and focused.